Trader updated to Saturday. A lot of hedge funds have been asking me a lot of questions on some of the indexes. I'm covering them. I will tell you that this is the SPX 100 index, the top 100 companies. What a nice rally. We issued a buy on a 200-day. We went above key moving averages. They have pushed it up for 5 straight days in a row. Okay, let's talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 5 up. Net net, we can trade up to 3,100. That is the all-time high of the top 100 companies in the world in this index. So once again, it's very carefully monitored by me because when we went straight down, we've gone straight up. But we're at the top of the channel. It's yes, they can go 7 days up. That's what I've been asked, and I have said that clearly. These are all at bull market breakouts at the trend line. If they break above it, then that momentum, and we would enter into a daily buy signal. We don't see the end of September being friendly to markets. We see a very choppy downside October to markets. That's why we're giving the awareness to all of our hedge fund managers that we deal with on a daily level. This is how I see the math right now is about even in the trend. And for all the small traders, sign up, man. Get in that live trading room with your account open. Let's make it together.